In today's society, it appears that any unpleasant memory counts as traumatic. To teenagers, it can be from tripping on the sidewalk, reading an offensive political editorial, or watching unsatisfying YouTube videos. This overused use of the word trauma is affecting teens in a negative way. By over-exaggerating themselves, an experience was far worse than it really was. It affects teens how they feel different emotions. This makes teenagers more sensitive to different emotions and uncertain circumstances, causing them to not be able to move on. The words they choose to put on what they are feeling can really affect them in a negative manner. A traumatic event is a serious issue that will alter one's life forever. Therefore, it should not be used so easily. People have to be realistic and not over-exaggerate it to make a big scene. This is important to your mental health and to build healthy relationships with people around you.